Hey, what is up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another video. So Motorola launched their new smartphone, which is the Motorola One Fusion. Announced it with the Snapdragon 710 SoC, 48 megapixel quad camera and notched display. After unveiling the One Fusion Plus early last month, Motorola has now announced the One Fusion. As evident from its name, the Motorola One Fusion is a tuned down version of the Fusion Plus and comes with a few downgrades and more attractive price. The One Fusion Plus packs 6.5-inch FullHD plus notchless display, and the non-Plus model retains the size of the screen, but its resolution is down to 720p, and there is also waterdrop notch up top for a 8 megapixel selfie camera, which is a downgrade from Plus variant 16 megapixel selfie shooter mounted on a pop-up mechanism. The 64 megapixel primary camera at the back of the One Fusion Plus is replaced with a 48 megapixel unit on the One Fusion smartphone, but other modules remain the same: 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel deep sensor. The Motorola One Fusion has Snapdragon 710 SoC at the helium, and it's run Android 10 out of the box. The smartphone has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs storage on a board, and it's also come with a micro SD card slot for a storage expansion. Other highlighted of the Motorola One Fusion include a rear mounted fingerprint reader, a dedicated Google Assistant button, and a USB-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack. The smartphone is powered by 5000 mAh battery, but its charging speed is currently unknown, and we don't have any information about the charging speed. The Motorola One Fusion is offered in emerald green and deep sapphire blue colors, 2 colors available. It's priced around $250, and it's already available to purchase in Latin America countries. The One Fusion will also arrive in Saudi Arabia and UAE in the next month. So if you want to buy the smartphone, you will little bit wait. If you are in the Latin America, you can buy the smartphone by online retailer. And guys, let me know in the comment section, are you like this smartphone or not? And make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out.